Hey guys, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the items that I sold on eBay this weekend as an eBay reseller. Let's get started here. Alright guys, so these Nike military boots here I sold for $119.97 and I'm paying the shipping on those. And then these running shoes I sold for $45 plus shipping. The buyer paid shipping on those. These UGG boots I sold for $40 plus shipping. This Fallen Footwear skateboarding hat I sold for $18 plus shipping. I sold this Polo Golf vest and that one sold for $39.97 plus shipping. Next up we have this Cole long sleeve men's shirt and I sold that one for $39.97. Next we have this really cool sweater, wool sweater, brand new. So you can see the tags are still on it. And I sold that one for $65 plus shipping. Second to last thing here we have is a J. Jill linen women's shirt. And I've had this one for a while, so I'm happy to see it go. And it sold for $27.97. Last but not least, I have this Carolina Panthers jersey. And this one sold for $34.97 plus shipping. Alright, now I'm gonna pack all this up, get it ready to go to the post office.